In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect to a running development environment in Gitpod using SSH or the terminal. Typically, when accessing an environment, you might do so through an editor. Those editors often have integrated terminals, which you can use for running commands like git commands or installing packages. However, there are often times where having access to a command line interface is also useful. One way that you can do this is via the interface. Simply click on the SSH button inside of the development environment detail page. Alternatively, you can access it via the CLI. You can find instructions on how to install the CLI via the website. Once you've got the CLI installed, simply run gitpod login and then authenticate with your account. One of the most useful commands inside of the CLI is the gitpod environment list command. This will show you all of your running development environments, whether they're started or stopped. In this case, what we can do is we can copy the ID for the running environment and connect to it via SSH. Simply type gitpod environment SSH and then paste the ID. From here, I have full access to my environment. I can run commands, install packages, or even commit to Git. So there you have it. You can have all of the security and productivity benefits of Gitpod, but whilst using all of the familiar developer integrations that you're used to, like your editor or using directly from a terminal. Thank you very much.